Welcome back to Clockwise Crypto, where we help you move forward towards financial freedom with crypto assets. Looking at the markets today, blood on the streets, extreme fear everywhere. It's happening. So this is the opportunity, like we say every day, accumulate. When people are freaking out, when this meter is all the way to the left, take this as an opportunity to get positions into good projects. Looking at Bitcoin, Bitcoin is pulling back, of course. We do have a little green candle here in the daily time frame, but honestly, I don't see it really respecting a level. I think the pullback that did happen, if we remove the Fibonacci's, the pullback that did happen, I think we can take notice of that. And I like the pullback. I just don't necessarily think it's over. And that's just my opinion versus looking at the technicals. This key level here, if this is broken though, we're in for a long run. I'm just being honest with you guys. We're in for a long run. If this 37.5 is broken, I will keep saying this. If 37.5 is broken, we're going to 20. We're going to 20. What did I say? 20. I think I said 28. Whatever I said, I don't even remember. 20. I got us going to 28. Yes. If that is broken, we're going down. I have us going down to at least. The first step would be 35. Next step would be 28. That's what I have. I hope it doesn't happen, but that's kind of what I have here. We can kind of note that right here. Next level right there. And that's if this is broken. So these are all if-then scenarios. If this happens, then this. If that happens, then this. Just falling off a cliff right now, to be honest with you, with Bitcoin. But that's okay. Definitely an opportunity, but this setup right here is definitely something to look at. Even putting a trend line here, you can pull this over and just a trend line here. Just it's breaking. It's breaking. There's nothing really holding it up. Going to the 4 hour, the same thing. It did bounce off a little bit, but nothing seems to be stopping that. So just paying attention to that. Looking at the bubbles here, everything's down except Save. I don't know what's going on with Save. I don't like it. If the market's down. And it's almost the biggest tell, like I said before, of if it's a good project or not. Market's down, and you're the only one that's not only up, but up tremendously. I'm concerned. So I'm not touching Save with a 10-foot pole. I'm staying far away. Looking at Ethereum's technicals, same thing, same Fibonacci setup, but really just a pullback. This is kind of an indicator. Ethereum's likely to head under 3,000 and reach one of these support levels. The fib levels here, 25, 26, 28 level. I'm thinking more of a 26 to 25 level we pull back to, which is healthy. I'm okay with it. Just like I said, the same scenario with Ethereum is the same scenario with Bitcoin. Do not hope Ethereum does not break 24. So if Bitcoin breaks that level, if Bitcoin breaks 24, Ethereum will likely break the level that it's at as well. So it'll kind of go hand in hand. So just something to pay attention to when we look at these markets. Going over the overall market conditions today, pretty much, Bitcoin's down 12%, Ethereum down 11% for the week, and just blood on the streets. But I like it. I really like it. For some reason, I'm like, okay, another opportunity to take larger positions, to take more positions. Cardano's under $1 again. I never bought Cardano over $1. That's kind of like the rule I have. So now Cardano's back under $1. Now it's for me to take more positions. That's just how I roll. As soon as Cardano hits $1, I'm done. I'm not dollar cost averaging into it. I'm not getting any more. But Cardano's back under $1. I like it. XRP, extremely undervalued. I think anyone that has been following XRP lawsuit case, you can see that XRP is an undervalued project from a price standpoint, and really just what they're doing with kind of laying the foundation when it comes to cryptocurrency and dealing with the government. Winning this lawsuit will in fact be huge, and the fact that there is no settlement yet kind of makes us lean towards that XRP is going to come out on top. And there was talks of a settlement, but the fact that they haven't reached an agreement up until this point speaks volumes. Because usually we plead out, you settle way ahead. It wouldn't be drawn out this long. So the fact that they're fighting, and honestly, they're the only cryptocurrency company fighting toe to toe with the SEC. I believe that everyone else would have just laid down. Everyone else would have been like, "Oh, you're right. Write the check, get it done with." But no, they're fighting day in and day out, and they're actually winning. So I think XRP has a huge opportunity to appreciate when we look at XRP. Terra Luna, I'm gonna dive into Terra Luna. Been seeing a lot about it, but more so looking at the tokenomics of it. For me, from an investor standpoint, looks very, very promising. Polkadot, really just all these top 20 projects are really undervalued right now. So you could use this as an opportunity, and even projects that fall under the top 20. But more so the top 20, and we'll go into more high risk plays like we've talked about in some other videos. But looking at these projects, there's just blood on the streets. Everything's undervalued, extremely undervalued, and this is a huge opportunity to take advantage of this blood on the streets. So I hope you guys don't get scared and take this as an opportunity to capitalize on these undervalued projects. And we'll see you soon. We'll see you in the next video. Don't want to waste your time, but just take a look at these. Take a look at these bubbles. Look at the undervalued projects here. Everything's blood on the streets. Everyone's fearful. And this is when you change the mindset of taking advantage of these opportunities to buy, to take advantage of maximum gains. We'll see you in the next video.